Sean Davis, and we're here at the home of AutoTopia and AutoTopia LA, which are one and the same, but not. September that just passed was 10 years since I've had this, so the original premise of this place being a vehicle storage facility and related concierge services, that's where we're at, and then it's also become the home of AutoTopia LA, which is our YouTube channel, and now our podcast, which we've launched recently. The channel is really focused on shooting pro touring and custom, restomod muscle cars. We venture out a little bit from there from time to time, but what worked for us best and what we, have probably the greatest passion for is American muscle, where maybe you keep the A-pillars of the original car and then you throw everything else away and you build a handmade one-off custom vehicle. That's what we primarily shoot. My dad always had a couple of fun cars. My mom, her daily driving cars were always fun cars until my dad pissed her off and bought a station wagon and sold her Porsche. She lost her mind over that one. My uncle was always into cars and bikes, so that's why I got super into riding motorcycles as well. My hope is that nothing on this team alters. So there's my friend Chris Marischal, who was there from day one. Kyle came on right towards the end of our first year of the channel. And then Josh joined us. It's been about a year and a half now. He was running social media for a guy we shot with. My favorite part of the car world is either the custom one-off muscle cars or German automotive. I love especially Porsche. I'm a die-hard Porsche guy. I grew up in Porsches, and unfortunately Porsche doesn't work on our channel, because with the channel it goes from being just a fun thing that it turned into a business, and the costs add up quickly. When we, for one video for us to shoot, most people don't have a concept of how much it costs us with a team of 5 people. Because of that, we started to watch the numbers, and we kept seeing that the pro touring and restomod cars seem to perform stronger, which is not a problem for me, because I absolutely love them, Whenever I do the driving, I always do the driving with our camera car, which requires kind of semi-speed limit-ish driving and just pure respect. Some guy's gonna let me drive his car. I'm gonna show him the respect and drive it really mild. But then it's always fun when we switch seats, and especially when the guy's like a real deal driver. Like yesterday, the Viper we shot, with Calvo Motorsports, and this is a car, this guy's built 230 Vipers yesterday was a mild one, and it makes 1,850 horsepower at the tires. So, sitting in the passenger seat doing passes at 170 miles an hour by the cameras it's pretty, I swear I have so much fun with it. I really do. I don't even know how many days in a row I've lost track at this point of how many shoots we've done. And yeah, I get fired up every single time about it. Every time. If you were any form of what now we call a content creator, but be it a producer, director, writer, actor, any element that was involved in film, television, there was so many people that had to be involved. Now you get to go screw around with your friends like we do your best content, and go direct to the audience. We get to create art and go direct to the audience. That's a cool thing. It's that concept, I've heard this before, find the thing you love to do the most and then figure out how to make money doing it. And so I get to it's rare that I have a day, I have them, but it's rare that I have a day of work where I go, today sucked. Most of my days definitely don't suck.